Hi, I'm Kelli at Southlake Plastic Surgery and Med Spa, and today we're going to be talking about the top 3 reasons that people get dermal fillers. So, you might be wondering about dermal fillers. Dermal fillers are just hyaluronic acid, which our body naturally produces. And the top 3 reasons that people use dermal fillers are, number 1, to provide structure and support to your lips. Some people want a fuller smile and have a thinner top lip, and it just provides support and makes their smile beautiful. Number 2, people get filler to fill out the hollowness or the volume loss in their cheeks that we lose after age 30. Number 3, you get fillers to fill in fine lines, to fill in wrinkles, and to fill in deep folds. Again, I'm Kelli Pressley at Southlake Plastic Surgery and Med Spa. If you have any comments, please leave them below and check out our link to find out more information.